Hey guys, this is my new light fixture for my 29-gallon community tank. It has a few plants in there. They're pretty low light requirement plants like crypts and anubias and dwarf sage, stuff like that. Right now it doesn't have any light because the fixture broke. It was a T5 normal output Coralife, but it broke and I wanted a new one, so I chose this one from Aquatraders. It has 3-watt LEDs, 16 of them, and I really wanted to try it, but there were like hardly any reviews on it. There's one on YouTube and the guy seemed like he was happy with it, so I decided to give it a shot. And I doubt it's a really for high-tech planted tanks, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll show you the tank later with without any light, and then I'll show it to you with another LED double bright I use for my multi-tank, and so we can see the difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, this is the unboxing. I just thought I'd show you what it looks like coming out of the box. Hey guys, this is what it looks like. The light portion of it. LEDs, look at all that circuitry and stuff. So let me show you, flip it over. That's what the other side looks like. Hey guys, this is the 29-gallon with the Marineland Double Bright 24-inch fixture. I use this light on my cichlid multi-shell dwelling tank, and it's fine for that, but this is the fixture. I just wanted to compare this fixture with the plant LED that I just showed you, so I will switch. I'll make the switch and you can see the difference. Okay, this is the plant LED, which it looks a lot brighter than the Double Bright. I'm very happy with it. Wow, that looks amazing. But this one looks a lot brighter. I don't know if it can show in the video, but it's pretty cool. The only complaint I have is that, let me show you this. This leg right here, it's not, it's kind of crooked. And if I look on this leg over here, it's pretty straight. As you can see, it hangs pretty well. But this one is like really crooked. And it's, it's fine. I might have to take some pliers to it or something, but that's my only complaint. This tank looks 100% brighter than before. Well, it had no light before, so but a lot better than the Coralife, and a lot brighter than the Marineland Double Bright. So we'll see how it affects the plants and the algae and stuff like that, but I will keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching.